Larry and Don White, Spooner High School alumni from the class of 1959, gave yet another large gift to the high school welding and metals program on Wednesday, April 3rd. Teacher Jeremy Vogler said the Whites have designated over $100,000 to the program, including cash gifts and several fabricating and welding machines and tools.
Fabricating equipment.
So this all came from the Whites.
Yes.
And Seaville. And what else?
And the other new item that we received today.
And this was Mr. White, or
This is for Mr. White. So we got the TIG welder. It's going to advance us so we can do a lot other things that we haven't been able to do in the past. We've never had a TIG welder before, so it'll allow us to weld down real thin aluminum, stainless steel, and all different types of metal. And this machine has all the other options. It does pulse welding on it as well. So advance the whole welding program with this machine. And all of the sheet metal equipment that we got recently, like the magnetic brake, will be able to allow us to do some 3D objects bending. So that's some of the newest technology, and the shear that we can cut out to 4 foot wide, and the 4 foot pan and brake as well. So it opened up a whole new area of sheet metal work as well, and fabricating.
what are we gonna?
This one here is not assembled yet. This is a Beverly shear. We'll do round cuts, circles. You can cut circle metal. This is another shear that you can cut expanded metal with. So kind of that screen or grate, you can cut all that with this one. This tool actually will bend. You can go up to 2-inch square tubing, and it'll do a curve. You could actually roll it in a whole circle, so you could bend that all into a circle. And then we had got another piece on the floor that we have to hook up yet, and that was a post vise. So that will mount on the table. And this table actually was donated, all the material to build. The legs came from Spooner Machine that was donated, and then Larry had purchased the top for us, all the steel.
So the legs from Spooner Machine and the top from.
The top was
donated.
donated from Larry. Self-tinting helmets, or auto-darkening helmets, and all new welding
jackets.
Yep, this is where the CNC plasma cam would be.
Right here. That's the last, and that's like a $25,000 item, right?
It's right in that area, yeah.
So we're talking all together. Mr. White and his wife have made well over $100,000 worth of
Yes.
donations here.
Yes.
This is quite a sizable donation.
And just wanted to give back to the community and to the program, and we're lucky to have him donating these items and upgrading our facility and here with the tools and equipment.
Okay. Larry and Don White, class of 59 Spooner High School graduates. You've made another donation today, approximately, I'm told, about $50,000. Collectively, you've donated to the metal program here, estimate about $100,000. That's a sizable donation. Why did you want to do that? What's the motivation here?
Well, I think it falls back to 4 years ago when the principal here, Bob Kinderman, gave us a tour here of the new school when we were here for a 50-year class reunion. And we were spellbound by his enthusiasm and what was going on here at the school and all the way back to Colorado, our home. We talked about what can we do to add to what Mr. Kinderman's doing here. And one thing led to another, and my interest, of course, is in metalworking, and it's been my career, my life career in metalworking. And I got my start in Spooner High School in a metal shop. And so this was an opportunity to give back. And now we're getting input from the rest of the community. Randy McQuaid, the rest of the people here in the community are putting a tremendous amount of resources in here, and it's evening adult classes. It's just becoming really a win-win program now.
In fact, I remember being in here about a year ago, and this space was pretty empty, and now it's pretty well equipped. How does that make you feel to see the space?
The boys that were in here earlier, and well, there was a girl in here too. They're so enthusiastic about what they were going to do, and that's so great to see. And early in their lives, that they will have a goal of something they really enjoy doing.
Your donations have inspired other folks to give some sizable gifts here. How does that make you feel?
Oh, that's what it's all about. And this country was built on this, and we need to keep this up in a small community like this. If we can get everybody involved and helping out, there's no end to what we can do with this, and especially in helping the young people of America today.